Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to cook baked salmon steak, and it's easy, very easy to make. You just leave it in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. So let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients for the baked salmon steak. Preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit. Marinate salmon steak with lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper on both sides. Cover it with foil before placing it in the oven to prevent the salmon from drying. Bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on how big the salmon steaks are. Our salmon steak is done. It's time to eat.